Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to delete your Duolingo account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First and foremost, to delete your account on Duolingo app, you need to tap open your Duolingo app in your MacBook. Features are only available in iOS, OS rather than Android, so I'm opening it in Mac OS. Simply tap in your profile, go in your settings option. There, simply tap on the profile section. So once you tap on the profile section, you can find the delete account option right on the bottom of the screen. So simply tap on it and tap on delete account in 4 seconds. So once you tap on it, tap on delete account again, and after you do so, you have to now check your mail to confirm your deletion of your account. However, you will get 7 days as a grace period, so if you join back in Duolingo between the 7 days, then your account will not be deleted. However, if you decide to not join back in Duolingo within this 7 days, then your account will completely be deleted. So simply go in your Gmail account and find the mail sent by Duolingo, and once you tap on the links given below to confirm if you want to delete your Duolingo account or not, your account will permanently get deleted as per your wish. So here I have shown you by clicking a link, then you can see this kind of a statement released by Duolingo in your Gmail. So this is how you delete your account on Duolingo. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.